Yes, this is the ocean. Pretty good. Today is a magnificent day. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Yes, the water is super hot. Woo! Woo! Oh, whoa, whoa! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Wee! Whoa! So today's video is like this. Woo! From Thailand. Woo! In today's video I want to show the ocean. This is the ocean of Thailand. There's no one single cloud in the sky. Today's video is about the beauty of nature. I live in a city and basically I don't see nature apart from one tree in Liverpool Street Station that they put plastic bags as a decor. Yes, I'm not joking. There is a tree in Liverpool Street with plastic bags as decoration. This is the only nature that I see every day. So sometimes I forget how beautiful nature is. And this is an example. I mean, this is not handmade. This is not handmade by any man in the world. This is nature. We didn't do that. Sometimes we forget how beautiful is that. Let's do another trip. Let's do another one. Woo! Yeah. Maybe I should go. See you tomorrow.